बारिश आने के बाद ये रास्ता और हार्ड हो जाएगा अभी वन हैंड ड्राइव करने के लिए। तो कभी भी आप कच्चे रास्ते पे हो, कभी भी वन हैंड ड्राइव ना करें। सीट बेल्ट प्रॉपरली लगा के रखिए, क्योंकि गाड़ी आपकी कभी भी स्किड हो सकती है। तो सीट बेल्ट प्रॉपरली लगा के रखिए। और आप देख सकते हैं कि आगे पानी भरा हुआ है। लेट्स सी। Woo. If you can able to listen the sound of water, this is amazing, man. गाड़ी को 15 से लेके 20 तक के बीच में चलाए, आराम से चलेंगी, कोई इशू नहीं आएगा गाड़ी चलने में। ये सबसे हार्ड रास्ता है, सबसे ज्यादा हार्ड। देखो, आप देख सकते हो तो पानी बह कर के आ रहा है इस तरफ। देखो, गाड़ी में वाइब्रेशन नहीं है, पर मेरा जो कैमरे का स्टैंड है वो वाइब्रेट हो रहा है, तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट। ओह मैन, इट्स फकिंग हॉरिबल मैन। और जो सबसे मुश्किल वाला पार्ट था वो अभी हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। We did it, and right now we are going for the least hard one. Let's see. The least hard one is coming, man. It will be coming on the sharp turn. So मैंने अभी फर्स्ट गियर से सेकंड गियर में डाला है गाड़ी को। वो स्किड क्या था, हल्का सा। ओह मैन, oops, 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 oops. Second one is about to come. Oh, ooh! It was so great. अभी मेरी स्पीड है 18 पे, और यो मैन, ओह, स्किड भी। वो देखो स्ट्रगल कितना कर रहे हो मोटरसाइकिल वाले। इज डूइंग सो स्ट्रगल, एंड मैं गाड़ी रोक नहीं सकता, गाड़ी रोकते ही फंसेंगी, इसीलिए इनको जैसे तैसे साइड करना पड़ेगा। एंड एटलीस्ट राइट नाउ आई कैन सी द रोड। Oops. It was a sharp turn, man. वहाँ पे स्किड भी हो गई थी और नीचे गड्ढा भी हो रहा था। So we finally did it. We did it, man. We did it. I am so sorry. Right now I found that it was not on the 0.6x mode. It was on the normal mode. But it's okay, man. And it's village too easy to found buffalo and cow there. बाकी तो गाड़ी में लपा के बॉस आराम से निकलेंगी आपकी गाड़ी, कोई इशू नहीं आएगा आपको, आराम से। एंड 66 ऑन ए थर्ड गियर। Mercedes. It is a turn 80. You can hear the sound of tit. And wow, the pickup is so great, man. You can feel the pickup. (92), 94, easily 94 on fourth gear, 95, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Easy 100. It's not too much hard. It's too easy. Shift is also great option for you if you have budget. Espresso is a better option if you have low budget. It's a great car with great price point. You can see the content driver. They don't have a helmet, but they drive fast. And after the accident, they regret about it. So just wear helmet and go safe, man. Just go safe. Easy 70 on third gear. Heavy vehicle in front of us. Gear second. Easy 60 on second gear. Right now we are in third gear. 55. Drop the speed. Drop the speed 55, 50. Third gear. We are in the third gear. 65. 66, 64, 65, 64, 65, and right now is 51. We drop the speed again on the second gear. 49. Right now I'm third gear. 46, 46, 43. Easy pull, easy pull. It's so easy pull. Two trucks are coming, one bus and truck. It's not that much big road, but you can see there is a pass to go, but the bus driver didn't go there. And you can easily go 60 to 100 kilometer daily. You will not be tired. The AC is fantastic in this car. If you can see what he is doing right now. नल बंद कर रहे हैं भैया. No red light, no traffic rules, no signals. Whenever you want to go, you can go. Whenever you want to drive, you can drive. Whenever you want to ride, you can ride. There is no rule. It was my school. I used to read there. If you can see yellow color building on right side, Mahesh Shiksha Sadan. I used to read there. And I love this school. I still don't remember my principal name, but I remember the teacher who used to teach me. This is so great thing, man. Yeah, that is it for today, guys. If you want, then you can subscribe. If you want, then you can share. If you want, then you can like my video. If you're curious about anything, you can comment. Meet you soon on the Royal Enfield showroom in another video. So meet you soon, guys. Thank you so much to watch this video. Thank you so much to come and visit my channel. Bye. See you soon. EFI 350cc engine. The sound is so great. Vibration.